Hi, I'm Annika McSeveny, founder of Antica Picture Framing, based in London in the UK. From my workshop, I create frames with bespoke finishes, including gilding and metal leaf. This has led me to collaborations with a wide range of clients, from artists such as David Hollington and Lauren Baker, and for galleries such as Getty Images and Gone Rogue. Each of my projects is led by the two core principles of framing: safeguard the object and enhance it without overpowering it. The exact form this balance takes is always different. Some pieces require minimal adornment, but the highest level of museum protection, while others are all about having fun and building an interesting display. In this Domestika course, I will show you how to make bespoke picture frames by hand. For the final project, you will build one for the artwork of your choice, replete with a tailored colour scheme and finish. First, I will introduce you to the materials and equipment that we will be using. I will also go over some of the foundations of framing and mounting and help you choose the right profile of wood for your frame. Once we've selected our style, we will create the mount, take our measurements and attach the artwork to the board. Next, we will prepare the moulding and glue the frame together. Once it's all joined, we will apply our desired finish and insert the fillets. Lastly, we will cut the glass and back, assemble all the components, do one final check, and then we're all done. By the end of the course, you will have a beautiful frame that complements your chosen artwork. To do this course, you will require a variety of woodworking equipment and materials. A frame can make or break an artwork. The best solution is to make your own.